Hey class, I just wanted to go over real quickly just a weekly wrap up. Things that you should have been able to look at and go through, and then perhaps answer some questions that you might have had and didn't get a chance to either reach out or to myself or ask another one of your classmates. But the number one thing is we went over this lesson of what's the big deal. What's the main point? And this is related to things that you read. I kind of did an introduction of like, when you're talking with somebody, and I do this a lot. I talk in circles, and it's like, get to the main point. There's a main point here. And ultimately, when you're reading, sometimes it's easy to either kind of zone out. Your brain just kind of zones out, and you start thinking about the other things, or you just start getting lost in the text. Like, what is the author really talking about? It's probably really easy to do this on a test or an assessment because it's so monotonous, and some of you might even say boring. But it's something to be intentional about when you're reading, is to look at like one of the first sentence or second sentence. As you do harder reading, it might be a little bit more challenging to find the main topic or main idea of a passage. But ultimately, you want to look at what is it that is important in the passage that you're reading, and then being able to identify just supporting elements to that topic. Okay, this is very important. I provided you with a worksheet to download, and you can, if you didn't have a chance to print that off, you can write notes on a piece of paper, but use that diagram to help you out in your reading moving forward. So the lesson in 3.3 that had integrated assignments. Okay, so I'm going to talk about number 2 here, but just know that these assignments in point number 2, they are integrated into the lesson 3.3, okay? But if some of you just are used to clicking on assignments and moving through your Schoology folders, that's why I put this out here. So it's not to necessarily confuse you, but this is transitioning hopefully into a more fluid kind of work environment, school environment. So I did put these a la carte for you, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, but they are only going to make sense if you jump into the lesson, okay? That's what I'm getting to. That's what I hope we can just sustain this through the rest of the quarter. Reading Plus, 6 reading assignments and 2 vocabulary assignments. This is critical and essential to you having the chance to pass this class, okay? So if you have not jumped into Reading Plus yet, today is the perfect day to start, or right now at the time that you're logged on, to jump into Reading Plus and just see if you are on pace. If you have completed your 6 and 2 lessons, you may work ahead and get some more stories and articles under your belt. If you find yourself behind, please jump forward, and if for some reason the system locks you out, please hit me up and I will be more than happy to help you out. As always, my contact information is on the side of the classroom. You can Teams me, you can call me, you can text me, send me an email, but I heard that's for old people. And I think that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a great weekend, and you have the weekend to get through your Reading Plus, okay, before I grade it on Monday. Hope you have a great day. Bye.